What's up, guys? So your MSU 500 won't go in drive, wouldn't go in reverse. This is what I would check first. So I was getting ready to go out and plant some recent seedlings that had sprouted up into our garden and hopped on the UTV, which wouldn't go into high or low. So decided to go ahead and start taking it apart, and I'll show you exactly what I found. And it's a quick fix, and hopefully it'll get you guys back on the road. So if you're not as familiar with these things, in order to shift the gears, you press the brake in the bottom, and then you should be able to move forward and aft. So right now, I have plenty of play in my gear shift, but for whatever reason, it seems to not feel connected to the transmission. So at first, I was of course thinking the worst, but all I did was pop this panel off, and I was able to find exactly what it was, and it took maybe 5 minutes to correct. So let's go ahead and take these chairs off, and I can show you exactly what I did and what I found. All right, so in order to get these seats out, all you have to do is grab this lever here, pull up, and grab the back, and it should just pop right off. All right, once again, hitting the lever, and then on a little pressure in the back. There we go. That one's off now as well. Now that gear shift that we're looking for is right underneath this panel. So all we have to do, if yours has the screws in it, looks like mine's already been removed just from over time. We'll take these screws out and pop these little plastic covers off. So you have two spots. One you can pull off right here, which is the air intake. It has a little filter and two little screws in the front. And these other ones should just come off as an entire assembly. Now the only way to get this panel up and off is to make sure that that brake lever is all the way pulled back and it's engaged. If not, you're gonna have a really hard time taking off this panel. There it is. Comes up pretty easy. And there's our problem. This little connection rod, apparently this bolt has came loose and the position is slipping within this little groove here. So this little notch is slotted with this, and that's what actually changes the gears on the transmission for this UTV. So we're gonna throw some Loctite on this little screw here. Now that we've found the correct gear that it's supposed to be in to align it, we're gonna reinsert it, and hopefully that'll fix the problem. All right, now for the moment of truth. There it is. That's awesome. All right, well, that's all it was, guys. So hopefully this saved you a trip to the shop, and I hope you guys' fix was as simple as this. So good luck. If you like this type of content, subscribe, and see you on the next one.